We have carrot chips. These are so good in a salad. I like to slice my cucumbers in half and then chop them up. I feel like this is a perfect bite size. My favorite type of green romaine lettuce. Black olives. Big juicy chunks of tomato. Sweet and crunchy snap peas. Crumbled feta. This is one of the keys to making your salad creamy and delicious. This is my salad topper. I will link that video in the description below. It is super easy to make. It makes your salad so good and also filling and satisfying. Crumbled mushrooms. Green onions. A lot of people haven't heard of this vegetable. Oh my god, it is one of my favorites. It's sweet and crunchy. You can have it in so many different ways. You have to try this. It's called jicama. It tastes somewhere in between a carrot and a cucumber and is just delicious. The nice thing about it is you can use almost the entire thing. All you do is peel it and cut it up however you want. Mix your salad up. I made extra, so I'm just going to dress half of my salad and the other half I'm going to put in a plastic bag in the fridge for tomorrow. The salad dressing I'm using is a Bolthouse Farms Classic Ranch yogurt dressing. It has so much less calories than other salad dressing and it is delicious. I love all the salad dressings by Bolthouse Farms. They even have a coleslaw dressing. They're just so good and I love that they're low calorie. This is one of the secrets to making your salad taste amazing. It seems very simple, but it is a super important step. Adding fresh cracked black pepper. And then sprinkling it with Parmesan cheese. It just makes it so good. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm always putting out new recipes and inspiring and motivating content to help you tackle your week and stay inspired. Thanks for watching.